Okay. Not sure how to film my face on this, but I figured I'd show you what a day in the life of me looks like when I'm trading. So it's 9:27. I got to my computer like 4 minutes ago. Market opened at 9:30. All I'm doing now is going through my tickers, my list of tickers, and I'm seeing what might possibly look good today to play. So what I'm looking for is consolidation from the previous day with some room above or below. Um, so if there's a break up or down of the consolidation with some volume and a nice candle, I'll play it. I'll use the consolidation as support, or is it? Yeah, support, and then I'll try to get in. I'll try to get in and play it up or down to the next zone. So, for instance, like shop. If shop breaks down, if shop breaks below all this stuff with volume, I'll look to get in on a retest, probably somewhere here, and then play it down into like here somewhere. See how this is the next zone. So yeah, this one looks good. I just go through and kind of check them out. Anything that's got like a gap like this, I kind of leave it alone because see it's gapping right into the support. So what am I going to do there? Right, nothing. With a gap like that, the range is pretty much already defined for the day. Look, it's gapping into resistance. I'm not really interested. Can you make money on those? Of course. Okay, so I like this a lot because if this, see, it's a little gap up, but if this gets trades up and then gets sold, comes down here and closes, now we have an inverse hammer that kind of closed below all this stuff. And if it's got volume, I'll either get in right here or I'll just wait for a retest and then play it down into here because there's plenty of room. So that's why it only takes me like a few minutes just to go through these because I'm only looking for just a little something. Stuff out like that. And and what's this? Okay, it's at resistance. I don't know. Tesla, I'd pretty much never play, so I'm just gonna skip that one. Roku had kind of a big day yesterday, apparently. Though, there's the bell. Just get the support, and I'm in no rush because I'm not doing anything until I see the first 5 minute candle on these stickers. So I'm just gonna keep going through here, looking for that consolidation. And yeah, I don't take a trade every day. Mm, I don't need to take a trade every day. I usually do end up taking a trade every day, just one. I usually take one trade a day, and yeah, it's got to be a great setup. Okay, this is interesting. So okay. It's a hammer though, but it's only. I mean, we're like not even a minute into the candle. I'm not in love with this, but we'll see. I'm not in love with it because it already kind of traded down. I don't know. It's not bad. I could maybe take it something like this. Something like this could make sense. Down into like here, maybe. Yeah, that could make sense. Okay, we'll keep an eye on this one. Just throw it up there somewhere. Okay, I lost my place. No, I don't know if I saw these. Yeah, see, this happens too. I just forget which ones I already looked at. But I don't care, because I already got plenty of good setups on here. Okay, I can see this one making a little... I like these. I like how the EMAs are all stacked. I like that a lot. So if this... excuse me. If this candle closes with good volume and some kind of wick, the R is great because I can just throw an entry here, throw a stop up above all this stuff, and then there's nothing really stopping it down into like here. So it's a good trade. So we'll see what happens with this one. Looks like there's a lot of good stuff setting up for today, and in fact, um, I'll probably just leave it at that. Let me just check a few more, see what's up. I would like this if this thing. So this is a nice candle. If this broke down, ooh, let's go. Yeah, there's a lot of good stuff shaping up. Actually, I might have too many good tickers to even stay focused today. There's a lot of good stuff happening here. I love how the EMAs are stacked on a lot of these. Not stacked necessarily, but just like pinching up with consolidation. And since we've had like big runs the past couple days, we'll probably need some retests down into some of these support areas. I'm not looking to only go short, but it looks like those are the uh, yeah. You gotta love that public Wi-Fi taking 8 years to load the chart. Sucks. But yeah, I'm not only looking to go short, but it looks like, come on, it looks like that's what the market's giving us. Me, us. I don't know. If you're trading it, it's giving it to you too. Okay. Um, yeah, got some internet back. So annoying, dude. All right. But yeah, this is just to show you you can make you can make money with shitty public Wi-Fi. You can make money coming to your computer at 9:27. 9:24. The market opened at 9:30. Doesn't have to be that crazy. Doesn't have to be that complicated. Okay, if this hammer were to like would have been like piercing through here with a close and like had a wick down into here and some volume, like if the volume was like this big, I would take that thing and look, it would be pretty much above everything, so it would have plenty of room to run up into here. That would be like a 10 out of 10, but we're not going to get that because where the gap was, it's already kind of too low. I mean, you could probably play this hammer, it probably works, but I don't know. I guess it's not bad. If it trades up into like here, and then that's the body, and it has like an upper wick and this lower wick, ooh, that'll be a nice one. So whatever, I'll keep it on the list. Square. Okay, square's another one that's doing that inverse hammer thing, but it's on top of that 105 EMA, so I'll probably leave that one alone. Okay, so here's an example of something I'd take bullish. This actually looks really good on Amazon. Yeah, this looks pretty good on Amazon. It'll probably run up into here. I love the way that this candle is like engulfing all this stuff. I love this lower wick. So you could easily get away with something like this on Amazon because now you have this pivot to protect it, and you have this volume, which is an insane volume, but it's okay. And then you have this wick. So yeah, I mean, something like that could make sense. It probably works. And then play it up into here. Yeah, dude, there's a lot of good trades out there today. Too many. I don't even like it when there's this many good setups. I like it if there's just like one or two that are like amazing. Oh shit. Okay, first 5 minute candle form, so I need to get my plan. I need to see what's going on out there. Okay, AMD had a nice move, but I'm probably not going to play this one. I'll just leave this one alone, probably, because the EMAs are a little bit far away. Okay, coin, pretty much amazing. Let me throw something like this up on here. Yeah, I'm gonna probably get into this. I'll probably let this first 5 minute candle close, or I'm sorry, the second 5 minute candle close, and if I get a pullback up into like here, I'll try and get in on the next like wiki candle. But this could be a nice trade. I'm gonna leave this one up there. I'm gonna take AMD off. I don't want to rush. Like to rush. Okay, path. This was a great candle, but it's gonna miss us. I would like to already be in had I seen that because now this candle can invert. I don't know. We'll keep it on here. I like how it engulfed all that and closed strong. Okay, so Z did what we thought it was going to do. It gave us this inverse hammer, and now it's trading down into here. But with how far this already came, the move's pretty much over. I needed it. If I'm going to play this, I needed to immediately pull back into here without going lower first and give me a chance to get in with good RR so I could set it up like this, something like this. Because now I have like the better half of this zone protecting my stop plus this whole pivot plus these EMAs. So a nice pullback into here. Then I'm already at 1R before it even gets to the new low, before anybody's even trapped. And then it runs down into here, and I'm at like 1.5, 1.6, 7. So that would have been a good trade. See what's up with shop. Okay, shop. Ugh, I don't love the volume. All right, I'm going to take this. I'll take this trade. I don't love the volume, but I like everything else, so I'll take this. So 69 shares at 115, 16. Crap, I forget what even that was. Shop. Okay. SHOP, 69 shares. And let's see if I don't get missed. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, probably missed it. Yeah, that was a great pullback. Okay, I'll still throw it on there. 15, 16, 48. 15, 16, 48. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I would have loved to got in. Already, I would have loved to be in. Yeah, it's gonna go. I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, it's gonna go without us. But that was perfect. Yeah, should have been in on that one. Missed it by a few seconds. That's one of the shitty parts about not having two monitors. I could have just flipped over and typed that in, and we'd already be up like an R. That was a great trade. Okay, M M is doing some pretty crazy shit. Yeah, M. This might look nice too. I'll be patient on M. Okay, this would have got us in, but I don't like. I mean, that candle's so bullish. I'll keep it on here because it's going to be fun to watch. Okay, JD missed us, so we're not going to get a chance to get in on JD. I mean, for me, everybody in the world would probably set this up. But for me, there's not really like enough volume down here for me to justify that. It's not strong enough for me. Yeah, the candle's strong, but there's no volume, so not interested. Okay, so yeah, we kind of missed this retest already. And honestly, the way this candle's looking, I would not be shocked if this just went boop and then traded up out of here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, we're probably gonna probably missed everything. Okay. Yeah, we missed Amazon. There was our trade on Amazon. That was great. I'm gonna set this one up and we'll see if I get triggered in. I don't think I do. 3, 5, 2, 7, 41. How many shares? 29. Okay, I'm gonna move this up. AMZN 3, 5, 2, 7, 41. Oh, how many shares? Ah, it's gonna go without us, dude. That sucks. 30. No, not 309. 30, 3, 5, 2, 7, 41. 3, 5, 2, 7, 41. 3, 5, 2, 7, 41. 2, 7. Right there. Okay. 3, 5, 2, 7, 41. Yeah, I would have liked to be on already. I like to be profitable and never be down. And I would have been profitable already. I like that wick, and then we could have retested this. So yeah, I'm not obsessed with this trade. It would have been a lot better if we got in on the last candle, which we almost did. Yeah, Nvidia, great move here. Missed the retest. It's already gone. This was the retest. That was how you set that one up right here. Yeah, that's probably. And then it trades up into here, so that's 1.3. What the heck was that? Yeah, so this is the retest, and then it trades up into here-ish, probably. I could still get in this one probably, but I don't like how this upper wick's forming. I like I said, I like to be in. Okay, I just got filled on something. My Amazon. Okay, it's a pretty shitty candle. I hate that candle. It's not good. But it could still close an inside candle. That would be cool. Closes an inside candle. Makes a pop. Oops. Makes a pop. Okay, yeah, this could be good. Makes a pop. Trades up. Yeah. How many R's is this? 1.79. I'll probably actually take it into here for like 1.3 because there's all this stuff here. Yeah. And if we get up to an R in like the next candle or two, I'll just take it. There's an R. An R is like right here. And I think it can trade up into here. So that's why I just pretty much, if it gets there in like a few minutes, I'll just take it because What am I going to hold through a retest for like another $200? I don't care. Give me the 1,000. I don't need 1,200 if I get 1,000. I don't give a shit. So yeah, it's a good candle. I'm liking this. This could be a nice trade. This could run all day long. But like I said, if I get to an R in a few minutes here, I'll just take it. 35, 59.87. 35, 59.87. 35, 59. And yeah, I don't put my stop on. I do not put my stop down there. I don't give anybody any fresh ideas about my stop. I just like to keep that thing private until we get down there. I don't want anybody seeing where there's asks on the chart on the ticker. If you want to go down there, go ahead, but I'm not going to bait you there with my stop. But this is a good. I mean, this is looking like a great, strong setup. There's no reason this shouldn't work. I would like a lot more volume here, but I mean, this is a good setup, especially with this double inside candle. Well, whatever, close enough. This little high wave. It shouldn't really go lower. So if it does go lower, I'm gonna get out break even on a retest. Because for me, yeah, it could go lower and then reclaim and retest. But for me, if it goes lower, I'm just gonna get out break. I'm gonna get out as close to break even as I can, and that's that's why I set these trades up like this, where I have like this little pivot zone right here. Because if this trade fails and goes lower, and all the EMAs are here, it shouldn't just rampage to my stop. And even if it comes down here, it should bounce, do something like this, and give me a chance. Yeah, it's a good stop. It's a good entry. Getting some decent candles. 24 seconds left on this candle. I like how it's closing. Um, yeah, this trade should work. It's a decent trade. Should work. I have my order on to take it off at an R so that if we just rampage, I get triggered out. Because, dude, for me, if I make $1,000 in 5, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I mean, dude, I'm a simple man, you know? I don't, I don't need much more than $1,000 in 15 minutes. That's enough for me. I'm happy with that. So we should get a move up now, or we're going to consolidate for another candle or two, but we should get something now. Something that's going to make me feel even better about the trade and give me a chance to move a stop or something like that. Start to play defense. See what's up. If we just rip lower, if we rip down into here, I'm still cool. 35.15-ish. If we start to get below that, I'm looking for a way out. I don't like how this candle's not doing anything right now. There's like not a whole lot of volume. Yeah, I don't like that. You see how it took like 40 seconds for anything to even happen on the candle? Like, and then it was just this little thing, this little volume. I don't like that. So, yeah, I mean, sometimes I would just even mark it out because I don't like that so much. But since this candle's so strong, I'm just gonna leave it on. This trade should work. And there's nothing strong telling me like, I mean, I'm already over top of all this stuff. Like I'm already on top of it. I already closed above this, so like it makes sense to retest it and then like maybe go sideways, trade up later. It might take a while, but this trade should work. I'd be pretty surprised if it didn't. And it's not like, I mean, it's not really like fighting a lot. It should be able, I mean, it's fighting this stuff, but it kind of already reclaimed it with that close on the first candle. So it should come up. It's retesting. It makes sense, but it should trade up into here. And yeah, another reason to put an R, like just take it off at an R, is because you have like these little, like this is kind of the bottom of this zone. You have this little thing. There's some pivots here. So yeah, I mean, if I can get up to an R relatively quick, I'll just take it. Okay, I think that's a lower wick on this candle, so that's cool. Needs to go. I'd like for it to go, but I can see it. I can see it trading in here, and then maybe later on in the day doing something. But if I'm not profitable in the next 15 minutes, Or like if I am profitable and the move hasn't happened in the next like 15 minutes, I'll just take it off. Get out for like $100. Go buy myself a drink here, something like that. A nice coffee with that $100 I just made by basically doing nothing. See what else happened out there. Okay, so Nvidia had that great retest just where we said it was going to be. I can the same thing. I can see this one chopping around and then making a move. So it might just be kind of a slower day. Amazon, I like this trade. I mean, I'm profitable. I've been profitable pretty much from the start. So it's cool. Okay. Beam had a nice retest. So see how Beam came up here? It failed this zone on that first candle, came up and retested, and now what it's already past an R. Yeah, it's at 1.4. So that was a nice trade. Kind of worked how we thought it would. JD never came back and got us, but then hit our target just where we said it was going to be. A, B, and B. Okay, that happens. I wouldn't have played this one because of how. I mean, obviously I didn't play it because how big that first candle was. Remember, I said we could see something like this. When that high wave comes in there, that makes sense. And you got to remember, like the bias is short, so it's still not. It's still doing something weird if it does reclaim and go higher. I mean, not weird, but like it should go lower. Okay. So at this point, I'm not going to take it because I'm already in a trade, but I like now how M has come up here and reclaimed this stuff, and there's some volume here, and we had some upper wicks that are getting closed above now. So M would make actually a lot of sense if this closes like this to come down here, retest this, and just like start to go higher. So I'm just going to set it up for fun. I'm not going to take it. Since we got above all this stuff, it shouldn't like I want to give it room to S curve, but it shouldn't come like down here. So I'll trail the stop, or I'll put the stop down a little bit lower, and we'll take it maybe up into here. It's 1.56. That's pretty good. So we'll see how accurate that ends up being. C shop. Okay, Amazon looks like it's still selling. Okay, yeah, I hate this candle. If we don't get a wick, I'm probably gonna. If we close this way, I'm just probably gonna take it. Probably just gonna take it off. If it closes, okay, give me a little wick. A little something. It should work, man. It should work, but I don't like it. I hate how there's no volume. So yeah, I'm probably see, now I'm down $80. I could have just been out break even. Yeah, I don't like it. It's not gonna work probably, but at this point now I'm gonna give it a chance to bounce, come back up. Yeah, I don't like it. Should have just got out break even when that candle closed like that. And the reason is because when a candle closes like that, it means there's people selling it to the last second. So almost always it's just going to keep selling. So I'm probably going to get out. Yeah, I hate it. I'm just going to get out as close to break even as I can. Because now that $112 that I was going to take and go buy a coffee, I mean, it still looks okay, honestly. Maybe I'll just leave it. Maybe I'll just leave it and see what happens. I mean, this could be nice compression to just kind of this could be a nice S curve and just kind of get out and do something. So we'll see what happens with this candle. Just leave it on. Oops. I just don't like what it's doing. Yeah, it should still work. 30 cents right now. Nice. I'll leave it. I'll leave it for another candle or two and see what happens. And another reason why I'm so okay. So Nvidia is breaking down. So yeah, I might actually get out of this Amazon trade because if we start to see things breaking down. Okay, SPY's breaking down. Yeah, I don't like it. So I'll probably. That tells me that. Here it goes. That tells me there's not enough strength in the market for these things that just reclaim their levels to pop up. Like, and if it maybe it does later, but it's going to retest and do a bunch of annoying stuff. So yeah, I'm going to give this thing one more chance to bounce, and then I'm going to take it off. I don't want it to go any lower. I don't even like how low it is right now. It should have worked by now. For me, it should have worked by now. And I don't like how everything else is selling off. Annoying, but whatever. Got a good entry. It was a good setup. Made sense. Yeah. So we'll see how this candle closes because if this candle gives me a wick, I mean, I don't anticipate it just like ripping lower. Like, I don't anticipate just like this. And even if it does, like we said, it should still bounce up and give me a chance. But oops, let's see, give it a chance to make a wick. Yeah, it's going lower. I don't like it. Sucks. Should have just got out for 3 cents. But it could still work. The thing is, now it's so low that I can't really trail my stop. It wouldn't make sense to trail my stop and lock in a loss because I need to give this stuff a chance to work. I need to, like, I mean, this can still be a retest. That makes sense. It's retesting down into here. So I need it. I need the next candle. I need the next candle to start taking some of this stuff out, some of these bearish candles. I need that to happen because this can still be a nice retest. So I need some strength. I need a close above something like this. Then I need another retest, and then I'll probably trail my stop to here while that's happening, and then it should show me. It should show me soon if it's gonna work. I should know soon. If it goes lower, it's not gonna work. I don't think. So I'm gonna give it a chance. We'll see. Plus, I mean, another reason I'm inclined to take trades early. Yeah, this sucks on NVIDIA. Another reason inclined to take trades off early is if I miss a perfect one, and I missed a perfect one on coin. That's 2 Rs. I missed that by literally seconds. I missed it. I mean, that's as good as it gets. That's a 10 out of 10 setup for this strategy, and it traded right into where we thought it would. I mean, it hit our target to the penny. It's probably going to bounce. So that really sucks. This was a 10 out of 10. Wanted to be in that trade, missed it by a few seconds. What are you going to do? Now Amazon. Okay, Amazon's giving me a wick. I like that a lot. I need some strength. I need a bull candle. Need a bull candle. Let's go. Yeah. Don't like it. Sucks. Really like that coin trade. What are you gonna do? Some days you get into coin and some days you get into Amazon. And what I mean by that is sometimes you get into great trades that work immediately and sometimes you get into the ones that kind of fizzle and suck. But that's what it's all about. So if you just lose small on the days that you don't get, okay, Amazon's not going to work. It's at minus 0.11. I just looked over there. Doesn't look like it's going to work. It's lower already. I needed a bull candle, selling more. So I'm going to play defense to get out of this one. Yeah, it's not going to work. That sucks. It's sold off. It's selling off pretty decent right now. Yeah, that's just an atrocious candle. I mean, that's worst case scenario. Yeah, that sucks. Well, what are you gonna do? Yeah, so it sucks. Like, could have made 2,000, and instead, we're gonna lose like 500. Sucks. Yeah, I mean that's just an abyss. The thing is though, it can still work. Uh, it's looking worse and worse. But if we get a wick here, that'd be cool. We're kind of getting out of S curve territory. Like, it shouldn't. Like, it's rare that I lose a full R on a trade and don't have a chance to play defense, but this might be the one. And now I'm going to start looking to put my stop up here. 349427. 349427. 349427. Yeah, I mean, this sucks. So at this point, I'm no longer looking to win on the trade. Unless this wicks. If this creates a wick and it closes up here, then now I'm bulletproof and I'm holding the thing forever. But um, I need to. I need something. I need something down here. 349427. Okay. Okay. Let's get a little wick. And if we do get a little wick, should get maybe like an inside candle, pop up to break even, maybe retest this resistance now. I still don't think I'm going to lose a full R on the trade. If I'm going to, it's going to happen on this candle that's forming right now because it's just going to waterfall. Dang, that trade on coin, man. That's a 10 out of 10. That is so, 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 so good. So good. So good. Okay, Amazon, do something. Turd. I hate so badly when a trade doesn't work. I hate it. It makes me mad. It makes me sad. I want to make all the money in the world, and it's taking it from me instead. It's annoying. Yeah. M's failing too. Shop failed. Z missed us. Path, I wasn't going to play that one. I mean, we're getting a lot of selling. So I'm going to try to get out of this thing. It's probably going to, for the rest of the day, just stay in like a range. So I'm going to try and get out as close to break even as possible. I'll probably take it all. Probably take it up here somewhere. We'll see how this candle closes. If I get a decent wick, then I'll hang on and get out for a win, a small one, as soon as it becomes profitable again. And we're getting, I mean, this is, dude, this for, I feel like for Amazon, and I don't day trade Amazon very often, to be honest with you. In fact, it's the first day trade I've taken on Amazon in a long time. But this volume to me is just like kind of paltry, like just weak. I don't like trade. Like, if we look at coin, okay, there's not a lot of volume in the market right now. Doesn't seem like. Because usually you're getting like, usually you get big candles, bigger than this. Okay, Amazon's going to give us a bounce. Let's see. I should probably trail my stop to here, but I'm not gonna. Because at this point, fine. I already been down like 0.8. I'll just take the full R loss. I don't care. I want to give it a chance to do something. I want it to just like wick me out and then bounce back up. But yeah, it's not looking good. Looks like crap, actually. It's a good trade. Reason it probably didn't work is because I don't know. I mean, it's volume. It's just not a ton. Whatever. Mm 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 mm. Whatever. So, like 3 of the trades we would have set up would have worked, and as like happens very often, the one that you actually get in doesn't work. But whatever, it's part of the game. I'm gonna take this shit off the screen now so it's easier to see what's going on because I don't care about it anymore. I'm trying to get out. I mean, dude, the thing is, like the bottom should be in. It should do something like this. So I'm just gonna put the order on right now at 35.23.37 to see if we can get a retest of this, and then I'll just get out for like, let's see what that is. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, because a lot of times you get like this, you get like these high wavy candles. So I wanna be out already. So if I get out here, that's $150 like all day. I was just down almost 1,000. I can get out for 150. Even right now, it's like 260. Like that's not bad. All right. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a sec. I'm gonna give it a sec. I mean, dude, the low should be in. If this candle closes strong, especially if it closes above this 105, I'm gonna wait and get out break even. But if it if it hits the if it hits that 150 mark and trades back down, then you're gonna get a first hand look to why you just stick to like the first thing you say that makes sense and just do it. Because if it like high waves and then trades lower, that's gonna be really annoying because we had a chance to get out for minus like 0.15. Yeah, because if this thing closes a high wave and we take it out, I mean, we're coming down here. So it needs to stay. I might get out at close, honestly. Down zero point 0.4 bar right now. Just give us a little more. Give me a strong close. I don't want a high wave. I do not want a high wave. A high wave below all this stuff, I don't want that. I want a strong close, and then I want to get out on the very next candle. If we get a strong close, I will get out like up here. I will put that order on and I will get out there. If it closes like high wavy, I'm just going to mark it out. It's going to suck. I'm going to take a loss, but I don't want to take a full R loss because like this to me, if this gets taken out, it's going to go lower. This needs to be a bounce. This needs to be a bounce. Come on, baby. Give us a nice push into close. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Give me a close, give me a close, give me a close. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, I don't like that upper whip. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Okay, I'm gonna turn my stop. Come on, let's go. Where's my stop? Come on, let's go. Come get me. Just come get me. Come on. Where's that? 3-5-2-3-0-6. Damn it, we're gonna miss it. 3-5-2-3-0-6. Come on. Yeah, I should have just got out. This doesn't look good. Give it a chance. Said that like 10 times. Ugh. Yep, should have just taken it. It's gonna take it now, I think. Fuck me. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. Should have taken it when I had the chance. Even if this thing trades up and hits that early exit target, it doesn't matter. I was still wrong. I should have taken it. So even if it ends up working out for me, I don't consider that a win. I consider that luck because I should have taken it. Because right now I don't want to be in this trade anymore, and I'm still in the trade. So that's a loss as far as I'm concerned. Even if I end up getting lucky and being profitable in the trade, it wasn't well executed. I mean, the entry and everything was, but the management wasn't. I should have got out right here. And now what's happening is I'm holding on and hoping, which I never like to do in a trade. I'm holding on and hoping that this candle closes within this candle and I get some other chance to get out, which I'm probably not going to because look at these moving averages now. Now this is doing exactly what we would have wanted it to do bearish. So I'm holding and hoping, and that's not a good way to trade. Down like 0.56. Yeah. Shitty. What are you gonna do? Yeah. It's probably gonna go lower. I'm down 0.6. My last hope at this point is that this becomes the new range because of this and this. And we just kind of chop in here, and I can still get a chance to get out up here. If this basically trades any higher, I'm just gonna get out. Because right now, this is like the worst case scenario. I'm at like as low as I can basically be and still have a chance. In fact, I am gonna go ahead and trail this stuff. Basically 3,500 instruments. Come on. God damn, I hate losing. I just like, I mean, look at that. If you're a market maker, you're like, oh, just drop it 10 more cents and pick these all up. Like, why wouldn't I do that? It's why I hate having to stop just sitting there. But I mean, even on this chart, look, we're below all this shit. We're below everything. Holding and hoping. Just gonna move this here. If I can get out here, cool. Good for me. Unless we get a gnarly wick. I like how this is holding, but now you need something crazy to happen. You need like a big candle like this, and then another one basically, and then a retest. Which I mean is unlikely. Why would it do that? It just had a perfect opportunity to do that right here, and it didn't work. So why would I expect it to do it now? Whatever. Stop me out. Don't care. End my misery. It's a win-win at this point. If I get out of the trade, fine. I don't have to look at it anymore. If I get stopped out, and if I don't, cool. I lose less money. So it's a win-win. I'd be happy either way. I could flip if it goes below that, and that would actually make a lot of sense, but I'm not going to because if I lose on a trade in the day, I'm done. And dude, this gap is just, I mean, I'm going to get stopped out. It's that easy. It's that simple. It's that simple. Yep. Well, probably. Yep. I should have just been triggered out right there. Why am I not out? Okay. Thank you, Harry Potter. Why am I not out right now? Oh, that's why. I'd have to get Harry Potter right now on an order entry issue. I like Happy Accident. Yeah, I mean, I should have been out of the trade. I don't know why I'm still in it. Let's go, Harry. Get that broomstick out, boy. Okay, now I'm gonna trail my. If I get back up to here, I'm out. 351635. Close enough. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Excuse me. Come on, let's go. Sometimes active trader is such a pain in my buttocks. Why? Why? My back on why? Okay, let's go. This is it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What a stupid candle. What a stupid looking chart. This looks so dumb. Should have never happened. This makes no sense. Whatever. Let's go. Get me out. What probably happens is it comes up, fills this, and then to the what is it called when it's not to the moon? What's it called when it's to the opposite direction? To the dungeons of Hades? Thank you, Harry Potter, though. That's cool. Yeah, I mean, bears are about to. Why wouldn't they? Look at all this. The bears are obviously in control. As soon as this falls, it's gonna just go forever. But weird things happen all the time. I mean, I should be either stopped out or know that I'm gonna get triggered out up here. I should know this, like this candle. But look at the volume. I mean, it's terrible. This was our trade for the day. This was it. This is the one. This was the one. And honestly, it would have made sense to maybe even try to get back in here. I wouldn't do it, but what do I know? I'm the one getting wrecked on Amazon right now. Z missed us. But I would have never, if I, after the second candle, I would have taken it off. Because that hammer. So yeah, it worked, but I would have never been in it. Nvidia, did that thing just keep selling? Yeah, so Nvidia is doing kind of the same thing as Amazon. It's trying to like hold this last little level. Beam, what the hell is that chart? I mean, that makes no sense. There's gaps everywhere. A, B, and B. Yeah, I wasn't gonna play that. Excuse me. Okay, so M went on to work. It did hit the retest. Would have held our stop. It's going on to work. But I would have definitely been, I would have been out for sure on that candle break even after this. I mean, I know it's probably not popular. Well, I don't know, maybe not, because that's a strong close. So if I was watching it go into the close, yeah, it's a pretty strong close. So now at this point, it should, since it did this, it should come down here and retest this stuff and then do whatever it's going to do the rest of the day. Amazon, how are we still in this trade? What are you going to do, Jeff? What are you going to do, Jeff? Call your people. Tell them to announce that Amazon is giving away free Christmas gifts to everyone that buys for the next 17 months and help us out. Actually, that would probably kill the stock. Because they're giving away so much free stuff. In the words of Jack Black, let's rock today. Come on. Come on. Could do it. Could do it. Let's go. I don't even want to make money. Just come on. You can just if you could just get up there. Come on. Why is the mouse hand dude always have like this little glove on, this classy little glove? This classy little and he's just using his thumb to make sure that he's pointing this way for sure. Okay, I like this candle. Let's go. I mean, honestly, at this point, I might even be asking too much to get up here, but whatever. Let's see, what am I at right now? Minus 0.64, whatever. Come on, what's this? Minus 0.4, that sounds a lot better. Okay, let's go. If it's gonna happen, it's gonna happen here. I'm gonna just trim it down to here, see what I'm at here. 0.48, whatever, let's do it. Alright, so 3, 5, 11, 73. Well, let's go. Let's go. Just gonna take it here. Hit me and I'm out. Go ahead, do it. Hit me and I'm out. I promise. Go ahead. Hit me and I'm out. Let's go. Hit me and I'm out. I promise. Just take it. You can have it. Let's go. Yes, let's go, baby. That's how you lose small. Let's go. Okay, so people, I just cut my loss in half. I just cut it in half. I was down 8.4. I just got out for 0.49. So I just cut my loss in half on a trade that's not going to work. Why? Thank you, Harry Potter. That's why. First, and look at this little thing coming in. It's going to retest this 10 just like it's supposed to. It's going to just rampage lower. This, thank you, trading gods. I have no excuse for that. I got lucky. But dude, remember, I should have got out up here. I said if I should just get out right here. But I mean, so it looks obvious now because all the moving averages are there. But back when it was actually happening, it looks pretty obvious because all the moving averages are there. So never mind. Yeah, I just should have got out right there. Should have got out right there. That would have been minus 0.31. So like 100 some bucks, $170. That's a cup of coffees down at your local, Starbucks. It's plenty of money. I'll take it. If you don't want it, if you don't want 160 bucks, I'll take it. Just give it to me. Okay, so that's how you lose small. Yeah, I got lucky, Harry Potter, but I mean, I played smart defense. Look at my stop; it was in a great place, and it did what it was supposed to. It did exactly what I said. If it fails, it should come down here. It did try to bounce here. I should have got out. And then it came down here and it bounced here and it retests. It's just retests. It's just these little zones. That's why these setups are so cool because you have all this stuff to put in between your stop and you have all these little chances to get out. So, yeah, kind of a shitty, annoying day considering we missed coin by I mean, I'm literally going over to type in the order and I didn't get there in time before it already traded down and I missed it. So that sucks. I mean, because that was a 1.92R trade. I'd rather have $1,920 than lose 484, but whatever. It's part of the game. And it was a great trade. We saw it, we read it right, we just missed it. Whatever. Okay, so what? Okay, so yeah, I'm done for the day. Let's just have a quick look, see what else kind of fun stuff was happening out there. Okay. Okay, so I would maybe considered shorting that. No. Because there was just too many other good setups. Like Coin, dude, Coin was perfect. Sucks that we missed that one. Yeah, this one makes sense. We got a lot of sell-offs. If the market was a little stronger, I mean, this is probably going to go lower, honestly. This should work on AMD. I'm not going to take it, but that should work. I'm not going to take it because I already lost. I don't care. I'd rather lose zero point 0.4 and be done and not have to worry about it than go trying to make it back and lose a full R or whatever. And do I miss out on a ton of money this way? Probably. I don't care. Yeah, here's another one that's failing. Yeah, just kind of unfortunate. That trade on Amazon works a lot. That should work. If the market was doing anything except this like kind of weak ass little sell off thing it's doing right now, that trade works. It works nicely. So I guess takeaways from today could be it's always easier to go short because even if the market's having an up day, if I'm already below all those moving averages and stuff, it still takes a lot of energy to get up over those. But I mean, honestly, we executed coin perfectly. We missed it by seconds. So not really a whole lot to like hang the head out today. I mean, we read it right. We're typing the order in, and it was just a little late. And then Amazon could have worked, and just didn't. And look, we got out perfectly. We played amazing defense. And we got out literally at almost the high of this retest and just saved ourselves $600. So yeah, this was a. I'm cool. I'm cool with this. This was fine. All right, I'm calling it a day. I will catch you guys on the flip. Peace.